So you've fallen behind on your mortgage payments. You feel embarrassed, ashamed, frustrated, sad, and maybe a little angry. You want to just bury your head in the sand and ignore the problems. Do you blame yourself? Well, you shouldn't. Hi, I'm David Candler Hicks of Alliance Legal Group. We are a Florida-based law firm that focuses on foreclosure defense and other alternatives to foreclosure. Every day we see cases just like yours where people have given up hope. The bank is harassing them and making them feel like criminals. So they stop answering their phones and wait and wonder, when is the bank going to come and take my home away? Don't be ashamed. Don't roll over for the bank and put up with their shameful tactics. Let's talk about what we can do to help. Stop feeling hopeless. I guarantee you had nothing to do with the huge economic downturn and mortgage crisis our country has been going through for many years now. I further guarantee that our government and unscrupulous mortgage lenders created these problems. Lenders were irresponsible, greedy, and in some cases downright criminal. Not only did our government not do anything to prevent this escalating problem, they failed to hold these lenders accountable when the corruption and illegal activities came to light, and then bailed out the banks with taxpayer money. So maybe you got laid off from your job, or you had your hours cut. Maybe you were a victim, like the other thousands upon thousands of Americans, of predatory lending and other corrupt practices by the mortgage providers. It is highly likely that if you're experiencing difficulty paying your mortgage, it was either due to the economic downturn, the shady business practices of other financial institutions, or both. Don't be embarrassed. Don't let the bank roll over you like they have done to millions of Americans. Hold your head high and find out what you can do to fix your own personal situation. Most people don't realize they have a number of options if they fall behind in their mortgage, and it's never too early to call an attorney to discuss your situation. A good foreclosure defense attorney can walk you through your options and help you take a realistic look at your situation and advise you on a whole host of potential solutions that may be available to you. Many of you would like to get a loan modification. The bank will tell you that it is a simple process and you do not need an attorney to help you. They tell you they will help you. Let me tell you from experience, they won't. They will string you along with empty promises of a modification and a never-ending request for documents you have already provided. In the meantime, they will hire an attorney to start foreclosure proceedings against you. Other clients don't want a loan modification. They bought their home at a ridiculously overinflated price, and now they owe more than twice what their property is worth. So they just want to get out from underneath it. But they can't because the lender demands that they pay their mortgage in full, and they do not have the money. Those clients are good candidates for a short sale or a deed in lieu of foreclosure. There are other options depending on your goals and your specific situation, but you really need to discuss these options with an experienced foreclosure defense attorney who can help you navigate these very rough waters. Seek out an attorney who knows the game the servicers play and will stand up to them and fight for your rights. Whatever you do, don't bury your head in the sand. Your problems will not go away on their own. I'm David Candler Hicks with the Alliance Legal Group. Thank you for your time and have a great day.